In this video, I will show you how to verify your ShineOn account. First, log into your ShineOn account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. You will notice a small ShineOn message or help button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the ShineOn support chat. Here you will be able to talk directly with one of their agents. In the chat box, just type a simple message like, "I'd like to verify my account." You don't have to overthink it. They will know exactly what you mean. After you send your message, all you have to do is wait for a reply. Once the agent replies, they'll guide you through the verification process step by step. And that's how to verify your ShineOn account.